Hey y'all, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to be sharing my Bath & Body Works holiday haul. So if that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. Alright, so you may have noticed that I'm changed things up a little bit. So I kind of put together a few little Christmassy themed items behind me instead of just like constantly filming in front of my Madonna painting. So like if I'm still going to be doing my makeup and stuff, that's going to be in front of that painting just because like the way that my room is set up and like where my desk is. So since I'm not putting on makeup and I'm sharing a bit of a haul for you, it's much easier for me to move my camera around and have space to do this. I want to start off by sharing a few wallflowers. So I didn't go as crazy as I did for Christmas, but I got quite a few wallflower plugs, and let's get started. So I want to get started with my favorite kind of wallflowers to buy, and that is those projector ones. I just think they're absolutely adorable, and they project like a little bit more light than a regular nightlight, and usually have like a cute image or a cute little saying to go with it. So I picked up two of those, and the first one I picked up was the Magical Holiday House. So it is like a little gingerbread house, but it's also mostly pink. And this does project, and it says Holiday Magic. And this is one of the ones I got for I'll say one of the ones. I only got her one. But this is for my daughter's bedroom, just because the way we decorate her room for the holidays is, we do like a little bit of pink Christmas decor for her room. She is such a girly girl. And I figured this would fit right in with the items that we already have to decorate her room with. Now that does retail for $36.50, and that is like the price on the website, and that's before like if you ever use any coupons or anything. And when I made my purchase, I used a 25% off coupon. So I didn't pay full price for this. And you gotta remember, don't pay full price for Bath & Body Works. You will eventually get it on a sale. The second and last projector one I got is the Holiday House Nightlight. So this one's just a regular little house, and it does have like a little tree in this window. Santa's in this window, along with Santa's sleigh and a little reindeer. In fact, yep, that's Rudolph. So it's got a little red gemstone nose. Now this one does project Dear Santa, which is super cute. And this one also retails for $36.50. Now this one is not the one I got for my boys' room. I wanted to get him a projector one, but when I saw this next one I'm going to show you, it was perfect for the boys. First off, their room is very space themed, and the boys just love space. They love like Star Wars, Buzz Lightyear, like anything that's got to do with space. And Emmett, my oldest, his favorite thing when it comes to space, he loves the planet Earth. So when I saw this one, we had to get it. And that is going to be the Traveling Santa one. And this is a nightlight. It is going to light up. Unfortunately, it doesn't project. It's not scent controlled. But you do have Earth right here. And then you've got Santa and his reindeer up on top, like traveling the world. And this is just so perfect. And I cannot wait to see their faces when I put it in their room. Now, this one does retail for $14.50. So much cheaper than those projector wallflowers. All right, so when I saw this one, and now I knew exactly where I'm going to put it in my house. I think it's absolutely adorable. And this is going to be the Christmas Martini one. Now this one also lights up. This does retail for $14.50. And at this moment, I cannot find it on Bath & Body Works website. But I did pick this one up in stores, so I don't know if this is just one you can buy in stores. It's not available online yet. But how cute is this going to be, like, at the bar? Like, we have a little bar top where we keep our liquor with liquor, like a liquor cabinet and stuff. And this is the plug that I'm going to put up there. This next one is going to be just a Christmas tree nightlight with presents underneath the tree. This one retails for $18.50. I just thought it was like really cute, really traditional. And I have a feeling this one's going to go really nicely in my living room since we're decorating it a little bit more green and red this year. And finally, the last wallflower I went ahead and picked up is going to... Oh, wait, this is not the last one. I lied. Okay, second to last one. This is going to be the Holiday Entryway Nightlight. And I think this one is really, really cute because it also says 2022 right here, like where you would put the mail in a regular front door. And then there's a tree that has little tiny lights on it, and those also light up. Like, how adorable is that? Now this one does retail for $34.50, so it's got a higher price point similar to the projector ones. Now this is the last wallflower, and this is going to be the gingerbread house lantern one. So this one lights up just like the rest, but it has a little gingerbread house. And I'm so excited to get this one because it's gonna look great in my kitchen, because I have a lot of bakery, gingerbread house kind of themed Christmas decor that I put in my kitchen. This is going to fit right in. So this one does retail for $19.50. Next up, I have 2 soap holders. So if you watched my Halloween haul, you saw that I got some soap holders and I like to put them in the kids' bathroom. So that's what I did. I picked up 2 to put in, one in the boys' bathroom and one in Harper's bathroom. So for the boys' bathroom, I went ahead and got this light up reindeer. So this one, can I get to go? So he has little lights around his antlers and they just light up for about 20 seconds. So I like getting these for the kids because if it's sound or if it's light, you know, the light goes for 20 seconds or the sound goes for 20 seconds, it kind of encourages them to keep washing their hands throughout that time. So this does retail for $19.95, and I'm actually on the fence on picking up another one so I can put it in the guest bathroom downstairs. And for Harper's room, we got the noise making holiday kitty. So this does play jingle bells for about 20 seconds, and this retails for the exact same price. It's $19.95. So I feel like this next part is like the exciting part and why people get excited to get Bath & Body Works holiday themed items, and that is the candle holder. So I'm gonna start off with some single wick. I only got 2 single wick candle holders, and then the rest will be 3 wick candle holders. So the first one is kind of nutcracker themed, and that is going to be a crown, and it does have little bedazzled embellishments on it, and this one does retail for $16.95. This one I am super excited about, and this one will be going in my kitchen, and it is the light up gingerbread house. So it's the same on both sides, so there is no back to front. And my favorite part is some of these like light up or battery operated candle holders that you get from Bath & Body Works, you usually have to flip it over and there's a switch on the bottom. No, this one actually has a button on the side, so it's really easy to turn on and off, so you don't have to like take the candle off, then flip it upside down, do this, put it all back. No, it's super simple. On, off. So this one does retail for $49.95, and this will be going on my kitchen island. So if you cannot tell from what you can see of my backdrop, I think I'm gonna rearrange it just a little bit. I am obsessed with like the peppermint stripe theme for Christmas. I couldn't help but pick up 2 of the peppermint lane ones, and these do retail for $14.95 each. And so like the red on the peppermint is glitter, and actually one of these is for my backdrop. So give me 1 second. I went ahead and put it up there. I don't have a Bath & Body Works candle burning right now, which I kind of feel bad because this is like a Bath & Body Works haul. I do have a Forever Mood candle in there, but it still looks nice in there. So kind of goes with my theme. That's why I picked up 2, because then the other one will probably go downstairs in my living room or kitchen. I haven't quite decided. So to continue on with like the gingerbread theme, I did get the gingerbread ornaments candle holder here. This is also $14.95, and this is like, for me, it's gonna be perfect for the kitchen, and it has like trees, gingerbread men, stockings, like just like cookie designed Christmas themed items. So I purchased this one to go with the crown. And this is the Nutcracker pedestal. And I will be putting this in my entryway. And my plan is to kind of like put the Nutcracker and then like the crown over here or something like that. And this does retail for $34.95. I told you this is gonna be a quick one. So I have the last item right here. And somehow I managed to put batteries in one and not this one. But I think you'll kind of get the idea. So I talked about this in my Halloween haul. I'm obsessed with like the water globe candle holders. I'm obsessed with water globes, period. So this is the water globe. Whoop, nearly dropped it. That would have really sucked. This is the Water Globe Snowflake pedestal. So inside there's like an iridescent snowflake, and it's kind of hard to pick it up on camera, but it does spin in a circle, and then there's like, instead of glitter, like the other water globes that I have from Bath & Body Works, it has little snowflakes on the inside. So this one does retail for $69.95. This one is definitely on the pricier end. I was really thankful that I did have a coupon with me so I could save some coin. But, oh my gosh, I feel like that went by really, really fast. So what I kind of did with this is I kind of cut out all the body products and the candles that I purchased. And if you are interested to see what candles I purchased for the holiday season from Bath & Body Works, there will be a TikTok on my page, along with, maybe I'll turn it into a short. I'll think about it. I don't always turn all my TikToks into shorts because I feel like it's just so repetitive to put the same stuff on 3 different platforms. Like, it's just, gosh, you know, it gets tiring. So if you follow me on like Instagram and TikTok and on here, you're gonna see the same content, and that's kind of boring. And I wanna kind of mix it up where different platforms get different content. But I'm definitely going to be putting my candle haul on TikTok. So if you are interested in that, I will go ahead and put my TikTok handle right here. And then also it's in my description box. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you picked up anything from Bath & Body Works for the holidays, let me know. If you've got candle recommendations, let me know. I'm all about getting good candles. And I don't just buy Bath & Body Works candles. I like a selection of different ones. So share with me your favorite holiday candles. And until next time, bye y'all.